this video, it is just for realtors. So all the realtors out there, please, please, please watch this. I'm a real estate agent in California. I have not used my license in a long time, but I kept my license. And since moving to Mississippi, I still have it in California. So one of the reasons I moved to Jackson, Mississippi was I have done loans in California. I done the selling real estate, but I was getting up there in age and I worked my butt off and I didn't have a retirement. I was going through a divorce. I was banking that my ex had the retirement. We were okay because he had the retirement and I was bringing in the money that we were living off and we were putting more towards the retirement. Well, that didn't work out for me because we got divorced and I um really got very little. So, um I needed to think fast. Think fast because what's going to happen when you get older? What is going to happen? Young real estate agents, or if you're thinking about being a real estate agent, I know it's hard to imagine at this age. That's long times away, but you know what? It creeped up on me. I didn't realize my age till all this happened when I was going through my divorce. I'm like, oh my God, I do not have retirement. And it was kind of late to try to get into like an IRA. I mean, actually, you could do it, but not the amounts that I wanted to have, right? And I mean, I hope to that I'm lived to like I'm 100 or something. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. But I'm hoping that I'm going to be alive for a long time. So I don't want to live of Social Security. When my daughter went off to college, I said, okay, this is the time for me to build it. I needed to build it. I had the whole plan of what I was going to do. I was going to move to Jackson, Mississippi. I was going to go buy 60 properties. I was going to rent them all. I had my plan for the first 4 years. The next 4 years, I was going to pay off those houses. And then I was retiring. Done. I could live forever for 60 houses with inflation and all, but I also know rents go up too. So that was my goal. When I was a realtor, I worked with different companies in California. We didn't have no retirement or anything of like that of the sort. So I met one person here that started talking to me about EXP Realty. And they were just talking, they didn't even know that I'm a realtor. So they were telling me why they switched companies. And I'm like, what? Retirement? You mean you're going to have money as a realtor? What company gives you ownership interest? You can have shares. This company does so much. Had I known back in the days when I first got my license in 1997, maybe I wouldn't have moved to Jackson, Mississippi. But then again, that was a long time ago. It is the fastest growing company. And I mean, I can sit here and talk for hours, but I'm not. I want to tell you the key points that work for me. The one thing that I want you to think back is, what have you done in the last 10 years? Maybe you're young, say last 3 years, right? Doesn't it seem like it was just yesterday and it just flew by? And how much did you put towards retirement? Other question that I have is, realtors out there, those of you who are very, very active in real estate, you're working, you are good, you are number one, or maybe not, you might not be number one. This is more so why you need to talk to me. Whether you're number one or not, whether you just got your license or not, you want to set yourself up right. Do not just count on one income stream. I am all about not putting all my eggs in one basket. if you are a top producer or not, what happens to your business when you go on vacation? What happens if you get sick and you have to be off work for 6 months? Do you have enough saved up that you can pay, support yourself and your family for 6 months? I mean, I really hope you do. I really, really hope you do. But if you don't, right, get a hold of me. Let me get you with like the top producers. I mean, there's like these amazing people. I'm like, when he was telling me everything, I'm like, what? So you mean to tell me this person is at 70,000 a month and he hasn't sold one piece of real estate? I'm all, how does that work? What? As a real estate agent? You mean to tell me that you got retirement? So this, you can go on vacation and get paid. You want to get into something that when you're sleeping, you're making money. I know there's a lot of companies out there, and I'm not going to be naming names. So, bottom line is make a commitment to yourself. I don't care if you're top producer or you're low producer. It doesn't matter. Build your thing. Make a commitment to yourself to at least listen for 20 minutes. That's it. Oh, I was going to say 20 and I was going 0. 20. Contact me below. You can follow me on social media. Send me a private message. Call the office 601-202-Vicky. You get a hold of me some way. Commit to yourself. I have not seen that I have seen a person that has seen it that isn't floored. And you will too. But you have to at least give yourself be important enough to just give yourself 20 minutes to know. And then decide wisely, does this make sense? Which, I mean, I'm one of those people that I'm like, what? What's the catch? You're going to be, that's what you're going to be. You're going to be, what's the catch? Because I'm like, okay, what's the catch to this? Again, contact me and let's talk. Let me put you, I just signed up and I'm like floored away by the people, and it's already, it's getting built, and you need to build it. You need to build it for you and yourself and your retirement or to go on vacation. All right, contact me. Bye.